beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious ground beef dirty rice that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Well, first things first, I have my 2 cups of black beans. Of course, you know how to cook the black beans. 1 cup of black beans, 4 cups of water, 2 bay leaves, and 2 garlic cloves. And here I have my rice. You know how to cook the rice. You only need 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, garlic, and salt to taste. I have 1 medium onion that I'm going to slice and cut in little cubes. Let me tell you, this amazing ground beef dirty rice comes out delicious. Everything you need in just one plate. And here I'm going to continue with my sweet peppers. I am going to remove the stems, I'm going to remove the seeds, and I am going to start slicing in the center in little strips and then cubing it. You want all the veggies to be the same size so that they all cook at the same time. Remember, don't overcook your veggies. You want your veggies to be al dente. Well, here I am going to continue, slicing and cubing away. This is what takes longer of this amazing recipe. This recipe, you could cook in about 15 minutes, no more than that. Of course, you can't forget your 3 garlic cloves. Even though in the spices, I have 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon or beef bouillon. 1 cup of corn, of course, 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of black beans, the garlic nice and diced, the onion and the sweet peppers nice and diced, and of course, your ground beef. I am using 1 pound of ground beef. This is everything you need, and of course with ingredients that you could find in any supermarket. Here on my skillet, I am using 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. The reason that I'm adding vegetable oil is because this ground beef is extra lean, so it's not going to release any fat. So that's why I added the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm adding here the seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and chicken bouillon, and that's everything you need in the seasoning. You want to cook this in medium heat, making sure that the ground beef really absorbs those amazing and delicious seasoning. Once you see it, it's getting nice and brown, it's cooking already. You're going to add first your diced garlic, incorporate it really good, making sure that everything is nice and coated. Once everything is nice and coated, I am going to continue with the onion. You want to make sure that you add your onion so that it really releases and coats all the ground beef. Look at this. Add your onion, incorporate it really good, and let me tell you, this amazing dirty rice really comes out delicious. Everything you need in a plate: meat, veggies, rice, beans, corn, you name it. I'm adding the corn right now. I am using frozen corn, but you could use canned corn, you could use fresh corn, whatever you have on hand. But make this amazing ground beef dirty rice. You're going to love it. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this amazing recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continue growing. Once the corn is nice and incorporated, here is the best part. We are going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. And right after you add the tablespoon of butter, you're going to add all the sweet peppers. Don't overcook your peppers. Incorporate the butter, cover everything and coat it with the butter. And once everything is coated, it's going to take about 1 minute. Then you are ready to remove. You don't want to overcook your sweet peppers. You want your sweet peppers to still be al dente, but yet have absorbed all those amazing flavors of this pot. Look how delicious this looks. The colors look amazing. And the aroma was just perfect. Remember, my friends, when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. Well, then I am ready to start mixing everything. First, I'm going to start with the rice. I have 2 cups of rice. I am going to pull it apart before I add the ground beef with all those amazing veggies. Once you add all your veggies and your ground beef, then you could incorporate it really good into the rice. This part is very important. Always start with your rice, pulling it apart, and then adding all the mixture of the ground beef and all the veggies. Look at this. Look how easy this is. But yet the flavors are just amazing. Once everything is incorporated, then it's time to add the black beans. Don't add the black beans beforehand because they're going to break, they're going to pull apart, and you want your black beans to be whole. You want really to enjoy every spoon you take of this amazing mixture of this dirty rice. You want to really see the textures. You want to see the bean, the ground beef, the corn, all the sweet peppers. Oh my gosh, this is just amazing. This is the part I really love and enjoy, getting my plates ready for the presentation, and I can't wait to enjoy it. Let me tell you, this smells amazing, and I am sure it's going to taste delicious. Look how beautiful this looks. Look at all those colors, all those amazing flavors. And of course, the butter really gives it a delicious, amazing flavor. I am ready for the presentation. I am ready to enjoy this amazing ground beef dirty rice. I hope, my friends, you make it, and I hope you leave me a thumbs up. Look how beautiful this looks. I can't wait to dig in. I can't wait to enjoy it with my beautiful family. And I hope that you make it for your beautiful family and you enjoy it like I enjoy it here. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing ground beef dirty rice. Of course, you know I love spicy food. I'm going to add a little bit of the dried chili flakes, and I am ready to taste. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes with simple ingredients, with ingredients that you have at home. Who wants to really enjoy a one-pot meal? Well, this is the one, okay? I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So many delicious flavors. Your mouth is watering. Make this amazing ground beef dirty rice. You're going to love it. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing ground beef dirty rice. See you soon. Bye-bye.